Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Shopify and TikTok Shop. In order to do so, here we are at shopify.com, and also we are on Google just doing a little bit of research on TikTok Shop. And it is important to note that TikTok Shop is not yet available in all regions, including Canada. So if the feature is available, your account might not meet the requirements for shopping, such as age verification or other eligibility criteria. There might also be technical issues. If you are in the TikTok app, tap the search button, enter what you're looking for, tap shop at the top, and then tap filters to refine your search results. If you are a seller, to launch your shop through the TikTok Seller Center, you need to sign up, choose your business type, set up your shop's address, agree to the terms, verify your documents, link your account, and add products to your shop. TikTok Shop allows creators to spotlight and promote products they love to their community and activate new revenue streams by browsing, selecting, and adding products in short videos and lives. Shopify, on the other hand, is available in Canada and elsewhere as well. You can bring your ideas to life for $1 a month. The future of business is yours to shape. Sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for $1 a month on select plans. Enter your email address and you can start your free trial. The difference between the two: TikTok Shop is a platform within TikTok, allows businesses to sell products directly to their users, while Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform for building and managing online stores. TikTok Shop leverages TikTok's social media reach, while Shopify provides control and flexibility for long-term growth. TikTok Shop directs sales within TikTok's ecosystem. It has a vast audience, social selling, and viral potential. There is limited control because you're operating within TikTok's platform with less control over branding and store design compared to Shopify. The platform is increasingly becoming competitive, requiring a strong marketing strategy to stand out. Your sales are heavily reliant on TikTok's algorithms and user behavior. In order to use it, you can connect your Shopify store to TikTok Shop in order to manage orders and inventory. You can use TikTok's features to promote your products. You can use TikTok's advertising tools and partners with creators to reach your audience. Shopify focuses on building and managing a full-fledged online store with comprehensive features. You have full control over your store's design, branding, and functionality. Shopify is designed for long-term growth with features for managing inventory, orders, and customer data. Shopify offers various marketing tools, including email marketing, SEO, and social media integration. You could sell on multiple platforms and integrate with your various apps and services. It does require effort to build and maintain a Shopify store, and it is going to take some time. Shopify has monthly subscription fees, which can be a significant expense. You'll need to drive traffic to your Shopify store through various marketing channels. You could build your store, creating a professional-looking online store with a user-friendly interface. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.